What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks. But before we dive into this video, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this kind of content, drop a like. That really helps out with YouTube algorithm, and 50 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you find my videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day, get all my real-time buy and sell alerts, whatever investment I make throughout the day, I share all that in my Discord. Consider joining the Patreon and then the Discord. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And now let's dive right into Tesla, which is down 8% on the day, $12 again, and multi-day sell-off on Tesla, continuing to the downside to a new 52-week low today, 137.66. Now Tesla here, if you look at my screen, we're getting extremely oversold on this daily chart. Last time RSI got down to, I would say right here at 28, we saw a massive bounce. Even at 24, we got a massive bounce, and even right here, and now RSI back down to 24. We could see a bounce very soon here on Tesla, but nobody knows when that is going to happen because Elon Musk is still selling out of his position and getting some money out of Tesla, guys. So Elon Musk is selling again, high volume selling here on Tesla if you look at my screen, and that is why Tesla is not getting a big bounce to the upside, but it's coming very soon. We could see a bounce, at least in the short term, back up to, I would say, 150 to even 167. That is possible here on Tesla. Now tomorrow, and this is also a big level of support here on Tesla. If you look at this monthly chart, and then look at this, and that's why I said it before in my videos that the next level below 150, watch out. We're going to touch this quarterly chart, 20 SMA, and that is sitting right here at 135, 136, and this is exactly what we got here on Tesla. So this thing is getting extremely oversold. Also, if you look at this monthly lower Bollinger Band, we're actually cutting under lower Bollinger Band on this monthly chart. So everywhere you see it, Tesla is getting extremely oversold. And if you look at this daily chart, now we have resistance at 150 and we have support at 136. Above 150, we could see a move back up to, I would say in the short term, watch out for 167, and that is possible given the fact that Tesla is getting extremely oversold, and this is a multi-day sell-off on Tesla. We're going to see a dead cat bounce at some point. And now we're going to look at Apple. So on Apple stock, we're also flat on the day, and guess what happened here on Apple, guys? Low volume, and this thing here, soon as we got up to 133, exactly at 133.25, once again massive rejection. Apple came back down, and now only thing the stock did today, nothing bullish here on Apple. We retrace lower Bollinger Band, which is sitting at 132 and is sitting right at 132.30 at the closing. So tomorrow we got some good earnings from Nike and also FedEx. Yes, we could possibly see a dead cat bounce. If we can get above 133, then watch out for 135 to 137 in the short term, and above that 140 is possible, and that's where I'll be looking to short Apple if we get up to 140 here on this one. To the downside, we have strong support at 130, and below that 128. And now we're going to look at Google. On Google stock, we're up 0.5% on the day, only 48 cents. So basically a flat day on Google, and this one also holding on to, I mean, look at this, guys, how oversold the stock is, sitting just above $88, holding lower Bollinger Band as a support. Now, if there is a bounce, where the stock can go, watch out for 90 to 91.23 blue line 5 SMA, and above that 94 to even 96. Below 88, we could be coming all the way back down to 83.45. And now we're going to look at Amazon. So Amazon also made a new 52-week low today, and this thing also getting killed, getting extremely oversold, keep going under lower Bollinger Band. So we could see a dead cat bounce. But the thing is, all the big boys are in vacation right now. I mean, look at this volume, guys. Who's buying? There is no buyers. algos are trading, and this thing going back up to 86.61, and that was it. Now down to 85 once again. So this one here, if you look at my screen, we could be coming all the way down to 80, or if we get a bounce from here, watch out for a bounce back up to 87.60 resistant, and then $90, and above 90 we can possibly talk about, I would say, 91 to even 95. And now we're going to look at Meta. And this one actually did well today, up 2.28%, $2.61 on the day. And once again, just like I said before, and I sold more my puts today, this thing exactly came down to 112.46 today, guys. So target was hit. We went over the target, which was 115, came all the way down to 112, and I'm still holding some runners. And if this stock gets up to 124, I'll be adding more into my puts. Now tomorrow here on Meta, now that we are sitting above white line and also red line 50 SMA, 116 holding as a support. Soon as we break 117.60, we could see a move all the way up to 119, and then another push back up to 124. Soon as we break 116 and then 115, right here, red line 50 SMA, we're coming back down to 112, and below that 107.50. That is possible, and that is the lower Bollinger Band on this daily chart here on Meta. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. On Microsoft, also up on the day 0.5%, $1.35, ran back up to 240 to 91, and now finally sitting above 240, guys. So tomorrow 240 will be a big level to watch, and below that watch out for 239 red line 50 SMA, and then 237 lower Bollinger Band that will act as a support. To the upside, if we can hold 240 as a support, we could possibly see Microsoft going all the way up to 245, 246.63 to even 248, and only way up here on Microsoft to the upside. And for the market, this thing breaks 250, then we could see more upside here on Microsoft. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Watch those levels going into tomorrow, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated.